Today, we will cook a yummy chicken curry. I will show you my own way how to cook a yummy chicken curry with coconut milk. But first, I will show you the ingredients. So, this is all our ingredients. Pour a little oil on frying pan. Fry the potatoes first before putting the carrots as it takes longer to cook. Next, add carrots and fry till edges turn into brown. Next, add red bell pepper and cook for about 3 minutes. Set aside. Using the same oil, soot garlic, add onions until turns translucent. Add chicken and cook until both sides turn a little brown. Add magic syrup seasoning. So, instead using water, we use the coconut milk to make it taste yummy and the meat become juicy and tender. And the leftover coconut milk, here we put the chicken curry mix. Cover and simmer for about 5 minutes. Pour the coconut milk with chicken curry mix.
Cover and cook until sauce is become thickness. Add the fried potato, carrot, and red bell pepper. Put ground black pepper, add green beans, and pechay. Taste to adjust seasoning. If salty, then we use brown sugar to taste it better. We are almost done cooking in our delicious chicken curry mix with coconut milk. We are done. Okay guys, we already done cooking a yummy chicken curry. This is it.
Chicken curry with coconut milk, which is Grow and Glow Foods. And we have rice, which is Go Foods. Thank you for watching and God bless!